Good morning, students. Today we will see few sums. Okay. So, word problem sums. Okay. So, you have to understand it. Okay. Okay. Now, here, my dear students, the one thing you should know that if you know cost of one item and you have to find for many items, same. Okay. Suppose cost of one chocolate is given to you. Suppose 5, and you want to find for rupees. Cost of one chocolate is rupees 5, and you have to find for 10 chocolates. So you have to do multiplication. So 5 times are 50. Okay. So like this. So yes. Now I'm giving two sums. One of will be of multiplication, and another will be of division as well as multiplication. Okay. So see here. I'm writing sum. If cost of one brick, now cost of one brick is rupees 8. So find for 9 bricks. Find for 9 bricks. So answer is solution. Cost of one brick is rupees 8. Find for 9 bricks. So one brick. Cost of one brick is going to rupees 8. Okay. So 9 bricks is in dash. So 8 nines are 72. Okay. 8 nines are 72. Okay. 8 brick का कीमत, एक ईंट की कीमत रुपीस, what is given? 8 rupees. Cost of one brick is 8. So you have to find for 9 bricks. Multiplication. 8 nines are 72 rupees. So 9 bricks cost is equal to rupees 72. Okay. Now this is one question. Now one question I will take other, so that we should understand. Now I will take I will change the sum. I hope you are getting this concept. Okay. कोई भी एक चीज़ का दाम मालूम है आपको ढूंढना है, बहुत सारे तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. If you know cost of one chalk, find for 10 chalks, you have to do multiplication. Okay. Now we change this question. If cost of five biscuits, cost of 5 biscuits, okay, cost of 5 biscuits is rupees, cost of 5 biscuits is rupees 240, okay, 240. Find the cost. I think the biscuit is somewhat delicious or somewhat very costly. Okay, find the cost of 12 biscuits. Okay. If cost of 5 biscuits is rupees 240, 5 biscuit का दाम 240 रुपये. Find the cost of 12 biscuits. Okay. Now now my question to you. 5 बिस्किट का दाम दिया है 240 रुपये. Okay, and we have to find for 12 biscuits. Unless we don't know the cost of one biscuit, we cannot find for 12 biscuits. Okay, then in this sum, we have to find for cost of one biscuit. एक बिस्किट का दाम ढूंढना पड़ेगा. Okay. Now straight away the concept is there. Okay. Suppose given data, given information. Okay. 5 biscuits. 5 biscuits cost is going to rupees 240. Okay. Now see here, 5 biscuits and 240 rupees. 5 बिस्किट के दाम 240 रुपये. 5 बिस्किट के दाम 240 रुपये. So 5 biscuit cost rupees 240. Now how to find for one biscuit? So we have to division. Straight away, total cost divided by number of biscuits. Okay. So 240 divided by 5. Okay. So we will do the division. This side, let me see where the board will be. This side is visible. Okay. So 240 divided by 5. Okay. Now see here. 2 is less than 5. Okay. 5 table. So nearest number you can go for basics. Okay. 5 zeros are 0. 2 minus 0 2. Then at one time one number will come down. 4. Now 5 4s are 20. So 4 minus 0 4. Then this 0 will come down. 5 is 40. 48. Becomes 48. Rupees 48. Cost of one biscuit is 48. एक बिस्किट का दाम 48 रुपये. Now we have to find for 12 biscuits. Obviously, now I find it for 1, so I have to find for 12. Obviously, I have to do multiplication. So yeah, cost of 12 biscuits will be 12 into 48. 12 into 48. Okay. Now, for that purpose, so I will erase this. Okay. By watching video only, you can copy this sum. Okay. You can pause the video and you can copy. Okay, this working part. Now, cost of 12 biscuits. So, see here, I will erase this. So 48 multiplied by 12. Okay. Now 2 8s are 16. 6 here, 1 carry. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Now 2 8s are 16. 6 here, 1 carry. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. So this work is over. Now add 1 0. Then 1 8s are 8. 1 4s are 4. Now 6 plus 0 6, 9 plus 8 17, 7 here, 1 carry, 1 plus 4 5. Okay. So cost of 12 biscuits is rupees 576. What is the cost of 12 biscuits? 576 is the cost. Okay. I hope you are getting the concept. Okay. So have a nice day, students. Bye.